Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video we are going to be learning how to open your Epic Games library. To access your Epic Games library, first of all open the Epic Games launcher. Make sure that you're signed into your Epic Games account. After you are done, this will be your first home page. To find your library, go to the left hand side menu and click on the library option. You will then be able to view all your installed and purchased games inside the library. So that is how you find your library and open it up on Epic Games. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.